See, India Trade Promotion Organization, this is a Section 25 company under the Ministry of Commerce, Government of India. Okay, the Section 25 company basically it means it is a non-profit organization. So whatever we do, we don't declare any profit or anything, and basically to serve the industry for promoting the trade. That is the main ambition of this organization. Now, when it comes to the trade promotion, how do we do it? The main agenda is the trade fairs, because maximum trade promotion happens through the exhibitions. So, ITPO, we organize almost around 12 domestic events in India, and we also participate in major international trade fairs organizing India Pavilion. So, in a year, we almost do it around 30 to 32 events in a year. So this is the organizing India Pavilion in the overseas major trade fairs. ITPO will also organize, other than the exhibitions, we do a product promotion program, we do a buyer-seller meet, business interactive sessions. So all these trade promotion exercises, there are quite a lot. And we have ITPO has signed MOU with many international organizations. And then we are also an approved body under the UFI, that is the International Approving Agency for Organizing Exhibitions. We are also part of ATPO, Asia Trade Promotion Forum, ATPF. So when it comes to the fairs, trade fairs, the 12 fairs in the domestic sector, whatever I said, out of the 12 fairs, we have most of them, totally business to business events. Like India International Leather Fair, we organize in Chennai, that is the B2B event. And then we have a food event, it is called AHAR. AHAR, that is, we call it as an International Food and Hospitality event. So that is done in Pragati Maidan, Delhi. So that is again the B2B event. Then we do a security fair, we do book fair. So we have a Nakshatra stationery fair. So as I stated, out of 12 events, the major events like India International Trade Fair, India International Leather Fair, India International Security Expo, AHAR, these are the major events. Rest of them are all medium-sized events. Because this IITF, if you take India International Trade Fair, this is the 35th event. So that means it's been happening for the last 35 years. It's a flagship event for ITPO. It earns, we call it as a bread and butter of ITPO, this event. Because this event is the largest event in terms of visitorship in the world. Because nowhere in the world a fair is visited by 2 lakh people every day. Because no one can have this kind of a mass, people visiting the event. So again, come back to the India International Trade Fair. The beauty of it is not just the B2B or B2C. It's a combined event for many kind of an activity. As I stated, B2B, yes, we have 14 to 18. That is exclusive 5 days for the business days. Then 19 to 27 is for the general days. Now the beauty of the event, as I stated earlier, there are 42 government departments, 28 states, 4 union territories take part in this exhibition. And this government department, they try to publicize all their programs through it. Now this year, if you see what is the theme of the event is, it is Make in India. Make in India has been told to all the ministries, state government to show what is their strength, so that we can attract investments, we can attract the international companies to come and do a manufacturing in India. That is the Make in India of the government. We have also launched Digital India. We have also launched Swachh Bharat. So like that, all these government programs are being launched here, and that gets a huge publicity in this Mela. So this is another dimension of the exhibition. So far we are talking about B2B, that is the business to business. Orders are being booked on this. Now when we talk about B2C, it's a business to consumer, it has a retail trade in it. Now the third dimension I told you about this publicity of the programs of the various government body, various ministries.
Now tell us what is the area?
Yeah. So the total area, it is more than 90,000 square meter area is the occupied stall, the occupied display area. Now the number of participants in this year, it is 7,000 companies. And then the 7,000 companies, I have stated, The foreign participation is more than 300 companies are from overseas countries. There are 28 countries are here in this event. There are quite a lot of foreign delegations come in. So we have a separate divisions to look after each and every part of it. Business delegations, yes, we have a delegation desk in the protocol which completely looks after the delegations. They are all sending the emails, and then they have taken care of. They have been taken to wherever they went, whatever the product they are interested, related areas, product related areas. So they have been taken to the pavilion, which according to their interest, so that they can click the business deals. Now this year there are a lot of new initiatives we had taken comparing previous years. What are those initiatives? Online booking of business tickets. That's the first time it is there. So people can book the tickets through online. They can come and see the Mela. Now the second thing is that we have initiated a virtual trade fair concept. This virtual trade fair will be available online for 365 days once this IITF is over. So people coming here, because of too much of crowd, they are seeing the product, they don't have a time to interact with the people. Yes, the virtual trade fair is a boon for them. They go back and go into the company website, what are the products are available. So virtual trade fair contains all informations like a product related information, company related information, and it's something like almost what you see it here and what you see it there. So that concept is the new. Now that we have launched the Swachh Bharat, as I said, Make in India, these are all the new publicity program, and this Make in India is being displayed in almost every state, depicting their infrastructure and everything. Again, this infrastructure plays a vital part for the business. Now the ministries, as I have stated, almost 42 ministries are here. Now the Swachh Bharat is a government initiative which has been implemented here. We have introduced a special award first time for the state pavilion dedicating to the Swachh Bharat. There are two categories of awards, one is a gold and another is a silver award given to this particular category. So this is a new one. Now when it comes to the public key facilities, we have introduced a lot of new facilities here in IITF to facilitate the general visitors. We have got prepaid taxi booths in gate number 2 and gate number 8 to cover the visitors can go through the prepaid taxis. We always tell the visitors, please don't come in your car to avoid the transportation problem here in and around Pragati Maidan. So we have introduced these prepaid taxis. We have introduced this OHO bus services surrounding Pragati Maidan, which is free for the visitors. They can go into the bus, go to any gate they want to. If one gate is, they find it's too much of crowd, they can get into the bus, go to any other gate. Now the new facility, new initiative in this is that we have introduced the buying of ticket facility in OHO bus. So this is the first time we have introduced. So people can buy the exhibition tickets in the bus itself, OHO bus service. Now inside the ground, people have to walk around from one corner to another corner. It's a very tough time for the visitors. We had introduced the free bus service within the Pragati Maidan. There are 3 routes we have specified. People can go from one corner to another corner very easily with the free bus service. Of course, the bus service is, the preference is given to senior citizens, women with children, and differently able. So these are the 3 categories we give preference. Of course, if there is not enough, if the enough seats are available, the others can also go in. Now we have introduced free pickup and drop service for the senior citizens from gate 1. There is a separate booth, separate 3-wheelers are there. People can avail that facility to go and see the